Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS to full screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your video and audio sources are listed for your current scene. Now right-click on the source you want to adjust. When the context menu appears, hover over the Transform option. This will reveal another submenu with several sizing options. From this submenu, click on Fit to Screen. This action will automatically resize your selected source to fill the entire canvas, which is often the quickest solution for getting your recording to display in full screen. However, if your recording is still not displaying in full screen after trying that method, there's another approach you can take. Look to the upper left corner of OBS and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure various aspects of OBS. In the Settings window, navigate to the left panel and click on Video. This section controls all the resolution and scaling settings for your recordings and streams. Look for Base Canvas Resolution. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select your monitor resolution from the list. Since my monitor is 1080p, I'll select 1920 by 1080. Matching this setting to your actual monitor resolution ensures that OBS captures content at the correct dimensions. Below that setting, you'll see Output Scaled Resolution. This controls the final resolution of your recording or stream. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and again select your monitor resolution. Since my monitor is 1080p, I'll select 1920 by 1080. Keeping both of these settings the same prevents any unwanted scaling or black bars in your output. Once you've configured both resolution settings, look to the bottom right corner of the settings window. Click Apply to save your changes, then click OK to close the settings window and return to the main OBS interface. Give it a moment to apply the new resolution settings. If your recording is still not appearing in full screen after trying both of these methods, you may need to grant OBS additional permissions. Close your OBS app completely. Then locate the OBS application icon, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. This gives OBS elevated permissions that can sometimes resolve display and capture issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed OBS to display in full screen using these methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.